This year's Tribeca Film Festival introduces Blood for Dust to the world as the film's team and cast celebrate its world premiere at the BMCC Tribeca Performing Arts Center in Lower Manhattan. Set and shot in Montana, director Rod Blackhurst discusses how crafting the location of the film adds to its identity on screen.
Locations are always a character in everything I make. They tell us how to feel. The weather tells us what mood we're in. The light tells us what time of day it is. You really feel it. And in this film, the snow and the cold air was very much an identity of the film.
In addition, the cast opens up about what drives their characters and the impact of the story in this action thriller.
My character definitely is turned to like the church, and that's where she's finding her strength, like the community and that's what's giving her hope. And in a weird way, that's almost like driving more of a wedge between her and her husband. And they love each other so much, but they just kind of can't quite connect.
I feel like this guy Slim was intelligent and very still, and I'm not totally used to being very still. I feel like I'm a little bit more animated. So it was nice to kind of like really slow everything down.
You have to make choices for yourself, and you have to stick to those choices, and you have to be honest to yourself. She is struggling, but at the end she makes the right choice for herself and for her family. And to her, family is the most important.
The journey of getting to the finish line of this film is also reiterated through producers Noah Lang and Ari Novak.
It was so full circle for me. I began as a PA in New York City driving trucks. So to move to Montana, get this script, bring it to life with this team, and premiere it here in my hometown is one of the most special moments of my life.
It takes forever to make something real and to will it into reality. And what we tried to do here for so long was we needed people to buy in with us. And we finally found that with our cast. And once we had our cast, everything else could fall into place.
Lastly, a team with so much love for each other is a family of shining talent.
I want to watch people make strong choices and steal moments in movies. That's what these people do. So we got lucky. We got to make movies with people we love.
Reporting for Bronx Net, Kody, Onyiuke.